friends, today I am with the Nu Republic's new TWS, which is named as Cyberstud X7. We have already done the review of Cyberstud Spin and Cyberstud X2. So in this video we are going to check all the box content and all the features what this TWS is offering. First, you can see that this will be coming in a white color, and other than that it comes with the Bluetooth 5.3 support. It has a X-Bus technology, which we will talk about later. In the box, we are getting the TWS, and the company is claiming that it can run up to 70 hours of playtime, which I will tell you later. It looks like quite like an alien ship, and here you can see there is a RGB lighting on the top. You are getting the battery percentage, which is visible. It will also show you left and right battery power consumed, and at the back you are getting a Type-C port for the charging. And this weighs around 45 gram and it comes only in white color. Now, keeping this aside, we will see other box contents what we are getting. So in the box we are also getting some paperwork, including some stickers. These paperwork are basically for the warranty card, and if you want the user manual, it is available on the official website. You can go and check it there too. So these are the few things what you are getting inside the box. Now, talking about the accessories of the TWS, in this you are getting a Type-C cable to charge your TWS. The cable is very small. You are also getting two sets of earbuds. I guess that this is the small and the larger tips. The one ear tips is already installed in the earbuds what we are having. Now I will show you how to do the charging. You just have to put the Type-C cable on the back, and here you can see the RGB lighting is glowing. I think that you guys can't see that. I will definitely dim the lights and show you the RGB lighting. It looks very different and gives a unique look. I have used all the Cyberstud, which include the Spin and X2. These all the Cyberstud of Nu Republic are different, and it takes 1.5 hours to charge it from 0 to 100, and the company is claiming that it can go up to 70 hours of playtime, as each TWS can pay a music playback of 7 hours and standby is 330 hours, and you can charge this TWS 9 times extra. So this is how you can reach up to 70 hours. When you take this earbuds in the TWS, you can see a plastic. Just peel them out from the left and right so that it can start charging, and once it starts charging, then you can use this earbuds pair with your mobile. And the name of these earbuds, when you are pairing, you will see that NUR Cyberstud X7 is the name. It supports SD audio, AAC, phone calls, media audio. So these are what it gets supports. It has a LED lighting on the earbuds too, which you can see, and there is a tap option. I will give you the entire detail of the tap option, how the function works, and it easily fits on my ears. Now, talking about few more things, it comes with the driver, which is 13 mm neodymium driver with a deep bass. It has a 40 ms low latency. It also comes with the dual mode, which means that you have an option for gaming mode or a music mode. You can switch it. I will show you that also. And when you are switching from music mode to gaming mode, it will give you the audio inside the earbuds and you can hear that properly. The music playtime is 7 hours, and this earbuds can resist splash and sweat very easily, and it comes with the quad mics and the RGB lighting. This comes with the ANC plus ANC support, which is great in this price point. I will definitely tell you the price point for these earbuds too. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.3, which ranges around up to 15 meter. It also supports voice assistant like Google, Siri, Alexa. It depends on the phone which you are using. It is very easy to trigger your voice assistant. I will show the demo definitely in this video. This TWS also offers you the transparent cycle. Then there is a noise reduction loop, and there is also you can off the noise reduction. So these features you are getting using through the TWS option. There is no dedicated app for these TWS, so don't find any app for this. You need to check out the user manual, which I am repeating again, because the user manual will be much helpful to claim the warranty and know all the functions what this TWS is offering. Now let's see the functions. First, power on. For that you have to long press the function key for 2 seconds. To power off, you have to long press the function key for 5 seconds. If you can't turn off the earbuds manually. So this is the functions for power on and off. For answering and hang up, it is a single click on the function key. For volume up, you have to single click the multifunction key on the right earbud, and for volume down, you have to single click on the multifunction key of the left earbud. This is how you can change the volume to up and down. Then for game mode, you have to tap 4 times for the left side and it will switch from game mode and music mode. This is how you can jump between the two modes. If you have to play and pause, then you have to double click the multifunction key in the left or right. You can do the play and pause the song. For next song, you have to triple click on the left earbud. For the previous song, you have to triple click on the right earbud. And for the voice assistant, I will show that later on. For the ANC noise reduction, in the left or right, you have to long press for 1.5 seconds. The first mode you will get the transparency cycle, the second mode you will get the noise reduction loop, and the third one is to switch off this. And if you click 8 times, it will turn off the light of the buds, which is also useful, and this will also give you a little more battery to the earbuds. So this is how you can control the earbuds. Tap 4 times on the function key on the left one and you can trigger out the voice assistant. Currently I am in an Android phone, so you can see the Gemini is being triggered. If you are in an iOS ecosystem, then the Siri will be triggered. The price of the Cyberstud X7 is 1799. It is available online. So this is all about in this video for Nu Republic Cyberstud X7. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.